Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you an AI powered offline tool and it's called DocuCV. Now it helps you search and ask questions about your own documents. It can be PDF, it can be a Word file or a text file also. And the search can be done securely, locally and smartly. Okay. And we named it as DocuCV. It's an AI document assistant as I told you. Under the hood it uses sentence transformer. Okay. To understand the meaning of your documents, and FAISS, face, okay, to find relevant sections fast. Then it uses a QA model. This is the QA model, okay, to answer your questions intelligently. All of this runs locally. No internet is needed. No chat GPT key is required. These models that we are using, they are free of cost. The moment you will start the application, they'll download first on your local device, and after that you can use them. Now let's try it out. First, I will upload here my resume. So let me just do it quickly. This is my resume. I've uploaded it. This is the content present in my resume. Okay. Now I'm going to ask this question. It says 2005 and that is absolutely correct. Okay, let me ask this question. In which year did he pass his senior secondary? 2007, and that is also correct. In which year did he come from? Where did he completed his BTech? It's BTech, right? MIT Bulandshahr. So this is also a correct answer. What is his email ID? So this is absolutely correct. This is what is mentioned over here also in my resume. And what is his phone number? Okay, so this answer is also correct, as you can see. Now I'm going to ask him, Betser AI Extend Labs Retail Click conversation bots. These are the conversation bots I've worked on so far. What are the names of the conversational bots Gaurav has worked on so far? Let me ask this to the bot. It says Betser AI Extend Labs Retail Click, which is again correct. So, this is the way this application works, and it is completely free of cost. You do not have to pay a single penny on this application for this application, neither to a third party nor to ChatGPT. We used free libraries and free models which you can get directly from the internet that you can use for this application to answer all the types of questions which you will put, based on the text document or the content present in the PDF you will upload. Fine. So this is the complete flow. What happens is when you run this app.py file, it takes the complete document, it reads the complete document, and then it sends to this index_docs.py file, that uploaded document, which converts everything into embeddings. Okay, this FAS is something which is creating the index of each PDF. So here you can upload multiple PDFs also. You can ask the questions based on your requirement, and then from here it comes to the sentence transformer. Fine. And then this qa.py comes into play, which based on the content of the PDFs you upload answers the questions which the user keys into the application, the front end. So this is how the complete application works, and that's the complete flow of the application. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The complete code is present over here in this Git repo, the link of which I'll be putting in the description section of this video, so you can take it from there, set it up on your local, or else you can also develop, or you can also put a EC2 server on AWS, and there you can host it the way I have done it. So called docu.cv, inside which you will see the complete content of the application. There is this CNV named directory which is acting as the virtual environment, in which I've installed all the libraries. Okay, and the libraries names you can get from this requirements.txt file. So from here, you can download each and every library. And once you're done with that, just activate your virtual environment. And then you can simply fire a command like this. So you have to come inside this directory first and then activate your virtual environment. Okay, and then you can fire this command streamlit run app.py, and the port is 5000, which I have chosen. Feel free to choose a port of your own choice.